Hey everybody, and welcome to summer. Today we're going to take a sneak peek at some looks to give you some summer inspiration, what to wear, what colors are in, how to accessorize them, and hopefully give you some ideas on how you can take these looks and make them your own. So let's check it out. So this one is my new favorite color. Look at this unbelievable, it's like a rustic pink color. It's just amazing with a dash of lip gloss, and you've got this woven tote. You are on for summer. This is just the look, the real amazing look. Love it, love it. So here we go. More feminine, soft and pretty, a softer pink with the same woven tote, but just with some little different tones of colors make this really a pretty look. Bright whites always go well in summer, don't they? Paired with gold and lots of pearls. Wow, I love this look. It's just my number one favorite, I think, for summer. And isn't that dress just gorgeous? Looks so feminine, but also so cool that it was, you could take this from day into evening. It's just amazing. So here we've got the new tote. It's a woven straw bag with these gorgeous bright colored crystal earrings, bracelet, necklace and ring that kind of all go together nicely. These would also team up really nice with that pretty white dress, don't you think? Now, here's an interesting look. These beautiful neutral colored but gold chandelier earrings with the lovely, again, fabulous dress. I think it's a dress, but wow, it is just such lovely colors with again, this woven tote in these deep coral colors just looks so fabulous with it. And it's just such a versatile piece for summer. It's going to go with so many other outfits. Can't go wrong with it. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. Now, don't forget any orders, we have got some freebies for you. So don't forget to check them out in the store. When you order, you will get some freebies. This is a limited edition freebie. You get some self-tanning drops for the month of April. So only while stocks last. So make sure you don't miss out on your free vacay tanning drops. Now, I love these beads and crystals, don't you? These colors are just awesome. Again, imagine these with that gorgeous white dress. They would look so pretty. And just a hint of glam and sparkle to set that dress off would, yeah, I think they would go rather nice together. Now, here is the bag that, we've all got to have. It is just so versatile. You've got it in leather, so it's going to be one of those bags that, stay in your wardrobe forever, last forever. It comes in two different crossbody styles and a bucket bag. So you have got to get this gorgeous bag. Now, don't forget bracelets for every outfit. You can keep them, keep it simple with just the beads, like I showed you prior, and they've got these lovely my favorite green beads here. Or you can pair it like they've done here with your memento bracelets that look so lovely together. And here we go. This is an amazing look too. Don't you just love these beachy blues? You've got the macrame hoop earrings that go in the set with the bracelets, and they just pair so amazing with this outfit. And I just love how feminine, soft, and pretty it is. Wow, it is just gorgeous.